Hi, welcome back. This is just a really quick video on tires. So my wife, she has a small little vibration in the front of her car, and I jacked it up and started looking into it, and this is what I found. So here's the tire off of the right front. You can see the tread looks pretty nice, tire looks pretty good. And then you roll it over, and you can kind of start to see a little bit of deforming. And you can see there's almost no tread here, and the tire is bulged out a bit, probably a belt broke inside. So that's no good, it needs to be replaced. And that would be the cause of her vibration. And you can see the rest of the tire looks pretty good. These are the original tires on her Santa Fe. We do run winter tires in the winter. And they have just shy of 160 kilometers, which would be just shy of 100 miles, or 100,000 miles. Like, the rest of the tires look in pretty good shape for the most part. And there's still lots of tread on them. They've always been put away for the winter, and we put winter tires on in the wintertime, and we just run these in the summer. But they are 7 years old. This is from her 2019 Santa Fe. So we should, so we got to replace this tire for sure. And then the other question is, should we just replace all of them at the same time? Which is kind of what I'm leaning towards. Even though there's lots of tread on them, they're getting to the age where they should probably be replaced. And when we do replace all the tires, I always like to do a full alignment on all the tires. Bring it to a shop that has proper tools to do it properly, and have that done. And then your new tires aren't going to wear prematurely because you're out of alignment somewhere, whether it be the front alignment or rear alignment. It's nice to get everything aligned if your vehicle has rear alignment adjustments on it, and then you're good. Yeah, so this tire is no good. So we can tell by that wear, it's not long for this world. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clara Garage. Have a great day.